So today we're talking about something. This is the Galaxy Note 3. So I decided to put my SIM card there. As you can see, that's my carrier and such. You can see that. So today we're gonna talk about how usable is this. But before that, I have to talk about the specs. So this phone came out in 2013, making this 13 years old. Right this year, it has a Snapdragon 800, which is a beast of its time. We also have a 5.7-inch 1080p panel. I don't understand why this thing feels kind of heavier than my main phone, which actually has 6 inches. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM, not bad. 16 gigabytes of storage, which is, I think today is considered low, but that's not bad. I mean, the only thing that makes it kind of iffy is the Android version. You can upgrade this actually, but I kept mine in stock because of S Pen features. The battery has 3200 milliamp. It's not the best. I mean, sure, if you replace the battery, it'll serve you much longer, but for me, it kinda only takes 3 hours of screen time. But there's something good about this phone, and I'm about to show you. So let's yes, it's about the removable battery. But it's not just that, we also have an SD card. There we can expand the storage, and as well easily yank off your battery like this, and you're good. Sounds cool, right? But there's plenty of good stuffs there, like having an S Pen, which of course is the reason why I haven't custom ROM this. I mean, your S Pen is gonna work, but it's just gonna act as a basic stylus. There are more goodies here that we haven't talked about before, such as, wait, did I ask safe? No, don't safe mode this. Oh, never mind, I'm gonna be right back. That's just weird. Okay, it's just weird. Why did safe mode hold its own? But this time I'm hoping it's disabled. I didn't ask for that. Okay, that's better. So this phone has some goodies like IR Blaster. You can install third-party apps like remote apps to control your TV or whatever. But there's something else in here, which is you can actually make pop-up windows. So you just I can show you that. So first you trigger the command. Air command. Because sometimes the button doesn't work. Oh no. Oh, why? This is acting up again. Okay, pen window, and then you're gonna draw a window here. Hey, that's painful. And then you're gonna select the app you want. Let's say you want a calculator, and others, and also launch another app. Okay. pops. I mean, this looks better compared to the newer Android versions. I mean, this one has Android 5, you can see. At least it's gonna be, can switch to the last 3 or 5 apps you use. I mean, this makes multitasking faster than the ugly mirror layout. I thought that ugly because there's more dots on it. You can also make use of air view, which I'm gonna show you in a second. Okay, so we got in the gallery. Now if you're gonna hover your finger like this, or the stylus, this one pops up. And also look at the other picture as well. You can also configure this. It's much fun to interact with. There are pretty much plenty of good stuffs here, like you can somehow, I'm gonna do some clock tap instead. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna draw this right rather. I can just write instead of typing because it's much better to do it in the stylus. You're on the stylus. But if you're not touch, then writing is much better. You can set that like that. Or even in action, now we can put it into action. Nope. Let's say I want to show this again. Let's say I want to draw, or rather write 0, 2, 3. Press this button, try command, and this one pops. Let's go with the online stuff. So since I have this ROM that has CA6 completed, then certificate errors and my issues now. So I just connected to the Wi-Fi. No. So I'm gonna try certain stuffs there. Okay, now let's try Chrome. I mean, this is where we're gonna use YouTube because the YouTube app no longer works on Android 5, that's why. So we're gonna use the browser instead. So let's try playing some of my videos there. Hey, why is this so big? I'm not sure what happened, but let's try refreshing that because that's not how it's supposed to. Okay. Yeah. Yep. That's pretty much happening now. So let's try my tech channel. Check this video. Not the ads, not the ads. Not the ads. Playback is a little, let me just configure this about 360p. Hell yes, this is even an option, thank God. I won't be dealing with blurry pics now. As for Discord, it actually works somehow. Okay, it's my internet by the way. picture is pretty crisp and clear. You can see. So that's pretty much on YouTube. Now let's try something else, like let us say Facebook. Okay, of course I'm hiding. No, it's for privacy. So Facebook is pretty much okay in here, and that's what you pretty much expect. I mean, I'm using the light version if you ask. Now let's try the cameras. The camera is okay. I have to move a little bit. Okay, take a picture of that. And I don't know why it's landscape, but it's pretty much okay. More pictures. Yep. It's not the most, I mean not the best, but it's pretty much okay. So now let's try some little gaming in here, like Flappy Bird. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Instant game over. So this pretty much works on old Android games, but not in the latest titles, of course. That's for obvious reasons. I keep losing the game. I mean, my high score will be, I don't remember that. So I'm just gonna keep playing until I see my new high score. +3. But that's better than nothing. Six, 7, 8, 9. This is +1. Okay, never mind, that's enough. So what else is, oh, this is my game. I mean, my game is pretty much lightweight to the point it can be installed on almost every Android phones. Sick. Or maybe it's better to play with the stylus instead. What else is interesting here? Well, I think that's pretty much it, I guess. So this is pretty much the Note 3 today. I mean, I use this sometimes, but now it's kind of my main because I put in my SIM there. I mean, let's try. Yes, I mean it still works. I mean for phone calls, but depending on your area though, because some countries have stricter requirements or whatever it is. But I believe this device supports voice over LTE, which should allow you to still make phone calls even the 3G networks are shut down. I mean, yes, I believe it. So for whatever reason, that's kind of slow. But let's just try doing this. No. What is that? I didn't ask for that. Okay, I'm just gonna use the pad instead. Yep, it actually works. So yep, that's all for this phone. I mean, it's somehow usable. Just some apps doesn't work because of the Android version, though you can custom ROM it. But I'm not sure if the banking apps will work, but I kinda doubt it. But for the fact that, you know, it's still pretty much solid, just accept heavy games won't work. I mean, it's still good today, just don't play heavy games. Maybe older Android games, sure, there's no problem with that, but the heavier titles like Crisis, don't expect that you can play it on this device. Well, there's also another device on my table, which is this, but I can't talk about it much because of the condition of this phone. I mean, also fun fact that this phone doesn't have a SD card slot. You can see this is just for the SIM card. And yep, that's pretty much about it. And I hope you pretty much enjoyed the video so far. It's been like 17 minutes now and 32 seconds. So that's all for today. See you next time.